Tired of project chaos? Let's tame it by building a work breakdown structure WBS in Smartsheet, making even the most complex projects manageable. First, open Smartsheet and create a new sheet named after your project. This will be our WBS Canvas. In the first column, which you can rename to task name, enter your project's ultimate deliverable, the top-level goal. Now, break down that deliverable into major phases or subprojects, listing them as rows directly underneath the main deliverable. Select the phase rows and click the Indent button. This makes the project goal the parent and phases the children, visually structuring the hierarchy. Under each phase, list the specific tasks needed to complete it. Then, indent these tasks under their respective phases, like creating subcategories. Continue breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable activities until each element is easily assignable and trackable. Add columns for assign to, duration, and status to track ownership, time estimates, and progress for each task within your WBS. By using Smartsheet's hierarchy and tracking features, your WBS transforms into a dynamic tool for planning, assigning, and monitoring your project's progress effectively.